You no longer need to search around town to find your favorite food truck. A new concept that's coming to the 12 Points area would provide an area specifically for food trucks to set up. It's called the Truck Stop. Terry Craig caught up with the founder of this idea and a local food truck owner about this new and unique idea.
Although just an empty space right now, soon this space on Lafayette Avenue and 12 Points will be a hub for food trucks.
Terre Haute native Bo Turner is the mastermind behind the Truck Stop idea. She says she got the idea while traveling in Oregon and says it was a no-brainer for her to bring an area for food trucks to Terre Haute.
We got this concept about a year ago, and just putting it into fruition is going to be really rewarding. I hope that everything, works out and we're going to have a great time.
Heather Maria Cooper takes her Mama Maria's food trailer all around the community. When hearing the news of the Truck Stop, she says it could be a big opportunity.
If there's, masses of people, then there's plenty to go around for everyone. And so I am optimistic. I'm certainly going to give it a try.
Step one for Turner is to build up the space by adding more green area and creating a more welcoming environment for food trucks and the community.
Either through a pop-up situation or people can be here for longer lengths as needed, but building up a community space, having a really cool outside vibes, and having people enjoy the great food in Terre Haute.
We're open to pop-up, we're open to staying in one spot, we're open to catering. We're a one-size-fits-all little establishment.
Cooper says she's excited for the future of the Truck Stop, not only for her business, but also for the growth of the 12 Points community.
We enjoy the outdoor life with a moving, thriving community that is growing together and excited about where they live.
Turner says she hopes to have this space up and running with food trucks sometime in the fall.
Reporting in Terre Haute, I'm Terry Craig.
Now, if you're a food truck owner who would like to join the Truck Stop, we'll have a link to the vendor application on our website, mywabashvalley.com.